Hi everybody, this is Steve Grizzetti, co-founder of MoviePix.com and author of the MoviePix.com Guide to Photoshop Elements. And here we are in Photoshop Elements looking at some of the cool tools that are available in the program. Now, the program has a set of professional tools here along the left in expert mode. It also has a set of quick tools, as we've looked at in other tutorials. But these guided tools are worth checking out. Some of the guided tools, and I'm just going to select on the top center of the program. Some of these guided tools are pretty simple and deal with basics. Some of them deal with color adjustments. Some of them create some special effects and fun edits. And a great many of them give you access to tools that you may not even be aware of are in the program. We have an option here to create a perfect portrait. So I'm going to select that. I already have a picture open in my workspace. And now using this guided edit, which is actually just access to a number of tools, we can clean up this picture. Now, this guy isn't too awful looking. Actually, that's me. But he could use some cleanup. He's got a lot of wrinkles. If we click on smooth skin, you notice the program has already identified my face. That's what that blue circle represents. If I click on smooth skin, the program is going to kind of soften some of my wrinkles. Looks very nice. And in fact, if we switch this to show before and after horizontal, you can see that it's smoothed out the wrinkles pretty nicely. We can increase contrast. That'll help sharpen the picture a little bit. Are there blemishes to remove? Maybe not in this particular case, but we can get rid of some things. And you can see my selector is pretty large, so I'm going to use open brackets and just tap that a few times to make it a little smaller. In the program, we use content awareness to get rid of some of those unsightly objects here. We don't have any teeth showing, so we don't have to whiten those, but we can, if we select that, we can then select an area where those teeth would show, and it would bleach some of the color out of your teeth. Brighten eyes, let's go ahead and use that. We'll just brighten my eyes a little bit by dragging over them. See, again, it's not doing any major changes, but enough to just sort of brighten things a little. And likewise, darkening eyebrows. Darkened eyebrows and bright eyes really enhance a face. Now, there's an add glow option here, but this kind of gives it that 1940s smear Vaseline on the lens look, which doesn't look really natural to me. I can put it on there just to add glow. And you can see if I select that, it kind of fuzzes up the picture a little bit. There may be situations where you'd like that. I'm going to Control Z or Command Z to undo that one. I don't particularly like that effect. But slim down is also nice. This will actually, if your face is a little bit wide or your body is a little bit wide, this will bring that in a little bit. Let's click it and you can see how that worked. Just a slight slim down. You wouldn't want to use that too much, but you can take some of your weight off that way. I'm going to Control Z, get rid of a couple of those. But let's take a look at before and after. Going up here to view in the upper left-hand corner. And you can see we started out with a picture here on the left. If I grab the hand here on the left of the toolbar, I can actually drag the pictures into position. There we go. And you can see what we started with and what we ended with. Just some minor changes here to take a couple years off this guy's face. And he actually doesn't look half bad, does he? So these tools here that are under guided edits are well worth exploring. Some of them, as I've said, are a little bit on the basic side and they're good and you'll outgrow them very quickly. But some of them, like this, gather a group of tools into one place and give you the option of really cleaning up a picture nicely. So check out some of these guided tools, particularly under Fun Edits, Special Edits, and Photo Merge. You'll find some great tools here that aren't available really anyplace else in the program. Now, if you want to know more about all the tools that are available in Photoshop Elements, you'll want to check out the tips and tutorials we have at MoviePix.com. And if you want to know everything about Photoshop Elements, everything about it, check out the MoviePix.com Guide to Photoshop Elements. It's available at Amazon.com, and I'm the guy who wrote the book. My name's Steve. Hope to see you again real soon. Take care.